So I found one problem with the link. CDN link is not working correctly, so I am going to use this link. So let's replace this CDN link and then see the problem is gone. So the problem is gone. Now we will start the PSD. We will slice now the PSD file. I always, so right click, duplicate layer, new layer, select, and then image stream, control. This is the dialog, so press enter. It will shrink everything. The logo is ready for Control Alt Shift S. Then choose 24 PNG, goes to image, logo. Remember we put logo.png on the markup. So let's see, the logo is right now here. You can see when I shrink to the mobile size, then logo goes to left side and number goes to right side. Items, align, items center. Now it's okay, I think. Yeah, this was the problem. Now you can see. So logo is done. Next, this icon, duplicate, trim, Control Shift Alt S, and then do design service, save, close, trim, enter, Control Shift Alt S, quick note. And this logo will be full support. And let's do this one, 100% satisfaction. So everything is repeating. Name is satisfaction. And then go for this. So I am going to use another tricks. This is the layer mask. You can see the layer. If I click this layer, then the image gone. This is the image, actual image, this layer. This is the clipping mask. So I am going to click on the clipping mask, control click. So you can see this is the selected. And now put the select the image and press Ctrl C and Control N. This is the image. So we going to Control V and Control Shift Alt S. Go to JPG. 80% will be fine. So high quality IMG1. and then do same for the remaining images. So I'm not doing this one anymore, and you can do all things, only one I'm going to show, this one, the image. So this should be Control C. I'm not going to clicking the clipping mask. I'm going to select directly the image, because any image we will do the rounded shape and border on the CSS, so client can put any image, it will automatically style. So Control C and Control N, this is the image. Let's do this one, shrinking. Okay, then press Control Shift Alt S, name it team. So I'm going to put the name team, and the remaining image you can do. So I already cut all the images from all PSDs. So this page, this page, this page, here total 6 PSDs we are going to build in this project. So every image already cut here, and I made some vector image, SVG image from the PNG. So everything putting here, and now let's start coding part. Only those 4 images I am going to use vector SVG. So this image also vector SVG, and other images are PNG or JPG image, and those are font awesome icon. So let's go to coding part. We should cut this one. Control C and place here BR tag, and then A tag, mail to. I'm not using the email right now, so this is the placeholder email. So let's search for that. The icon will be envelope. Search. So this envelope is similar to our HTML PSD. Okay, this is the icon. Only click, then it will select it, and now anchor tag. So you can see the top part markup is complete. Now let's moving on to the bottom part, actual navigation. So navigation will be, I'm going to use this navigation. You can see here, this is the navigation. So let's copy it, Control B, this is the, and removing the logo, I don't need logo. And let's see, right now the project, you can see the mobile layout already placed, but I don't keep like that. So navigation links text, copy, now place here. So home is done, index.html, and then product. So tooling is complete. This, let's see, Ctrl Shift D. Putting the menu, about and contact. So our markup, navigation markup is, and we will put the drop down menu for the product. Here you can see the drop down menu. So the drop down menu is another UL, LI and A. So this is going to palette tracking, and this link will be long span racking. Let's see, this is the actual markup. Let's put another markup for the about section. So about will be meet the team. Meet the team. And I am putting one class from Bootstrap to the drop down menu. So class will be list unstyled. So it will remove bullet. So this gone. Remove some class M auto. I think M auto the class. Yes. So M auto is going to center the logo. You can see here. Yeah, I think this looks good. Later we will put yellow color for the navigation. So currently our markup is good for the mobile. You can see already responsive header. Now let's moving on for the section hero. This will be home hero. And this section will be container OR. So orient tracking, container OR. I am going to put the container. So and the these three icon will be one list style, list UL inside UL. So let's put UL dot list unstyled. So UL dot list unstyled from the, so dplex I am going to use. So banner icons, and there will be li with img. So images, and then the image will be design service. You can see already the logo showing here. So another three image, and the second one will be quick quote support. as you see, the icon is placed. So I am going to use h2 and put some class upper C, so the image will be caps uppercase, sorry, the heading will be uppercase. So the heading text, and going to make everything lowercase. Here I am going to use another class so I can target easily on the for the CSS, and going to put small tag. So small tag will be this one, high quality, and then put the image. So this image is satisfaction image. You see, and going to use a blank div for the gray div, this gray div. So dot gray bg, I am going to use a general class for. So this is the markup for the header area, and the video I will put later. Let's moving on. So this will be hero area. Putting the HTML comment. This will be high quality. Hitting Ctrl KL, Ctrl KU. High quality products. And then put one general CSS class that is for putting some padding. So section padding, and this is the text. So text will be only upper C, text center.